Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And obviously, as you guys can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 new boxes right here for us to go ahead and get into. Now, 2 of these are early pickups. This one in particular, I'm pretty excited to show you guys because I don't think I've seen anyone else get this pair in, and I've actually had them for a good week now, so I think about 3 weeks before release. And these right here are dropping a little bit sooner, and once again I had more problems at the post office trying to get my package. But listen, man, we will get into that when we get to it. But like I said, 4 packages for the day. We just chilling, unboxing some dope shit. And I think 3 of these were actually gifts. One of them I copped, the other 3 were just kind of floated at the door, so I appreciate everybody sending out. So I actually had the production team go ahead and do a couple montages for us, so I guess we can go ahead and get into this box right here first.
Solo, yeah. Louis Prime, yeah. Don't give a fuck about what the cost is, yeah. She talking about jeans, I throw her some money, she turned to a fiend, yeah.
Now this box right here was actually a gift coming in from the homie Jeff and basically the NBA, and I wasn't expecting this package to exactly come in, but it had a lot of just goodies, kind of like a mystery box or a mixed bag of different things, and you guys can kind of see that on the B-roll. So first off, for the extras, I did get this right here at NBA Kicks bag. They also sent me over a little NBA Kicks t-shirt, and then laces, shoe cleaner, as well as this hat right here was actually a Public School NYC collab hat, I assume with the NBA, and this one is actually themed after OKC. It kind of has that vintage all over nylon hat feel, just as Public School X the League. So I don't know if that has already come out yet or some type of collab going on between Public School NYC and the NBA. He did actually send me over a nice little card as well, so I appreciate him as always. They also sent over some fresh white Stan socks, so appreciate that. I mean, I really can't go wrong with a fresh pair of socks. And then the last thing in the box was actually this pair of Converses right here in this orange box. Now I don't know if this is like an actual release pair. It could be, it could not be, I am not really sure. All I know is a Converse Chuck Taylor with NBA logos, official NBA logos on it. It kind of has like a, I mean, it's a white midsole, but it's kind of like that creamy midsole. These really kind of remind me of the same like kind of form factor and feel of the Comme des Garçons Converse, but they had just gone ahead and threw these to me. So once again, yo, shouts out to the homie Jay. He knows who he is, and they sent me over a nice little care package with some NBA Converses in all over gray. Very interesting, appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and get into this box right here, and once again, production team, can you go ahead and send me into that montage?
I slimy, I sneeze, I come from the dirt, my money for me, yeah. Put it up on my side, yeah. The cream in my crowd, yeah. She talking about money, come my way and show me something, yeah. Put it up on my side, yeah. The cream in the crowd, yeah. She talking about money, come my way and show me something, yeah.
Now in this box right here, a lot of people ask me to talk about stuff that's different than you know, Nike and Adidas or whatever the case may be, and we actually got these right here, which is the early pair, a very early pair of the new Bodega and New Balance collab, and this is on a 997S. This is a men's size 12, and I may do a review on this shoe just because it's pretty unique, and I've seen a lot of people kind of buzzing about it, and you know, shouts out to the good homie over at Bodega. I've known him for a very long time. He also sent over this card. I would read it out, but you guys can see it right there on the screen. And you know, always, as always, man, shouts out to homie Matt and shouts out to Bodega. You guys know I actually got some clothes coming in from Bodega that I copped on sale. But let's get into this shoe, man. This is their New Balance 997S, and this colorway is super clean. Materials are definitely on point. I mean, it's New Balance, and you know, with Bodega, you know you're gonna get that crazy color blocking. Purple, black, red, yellow, kind of got this creamish beige color on the outsole and this weird teal blue on the back. So this is the new collab. I believe these are dropping on April 4th. I've had them for a little while now. I just didn't have time to actually fit them into a video, and it didn't just come with the shoe. It came with these 2 extra pair of laces, kind of like a really bright and vibrant orange and black or red and black, and you have black and that teal colorway to match on the back. They come with white and yellow laces on the inside, but I just want to say, man, overall, like materials and look, I don't know, I may have like 1 pair of New Balances left. I think 1 pair back there. Sometimes I end up letting them go, but these are actually super unique, and I just love that they have kind of that aged look on the midsole. I love the color blocking. You guys just know I love a lot of the stuff that Bodega does. So this is their new collab. This is dropping on April 4th. You've seen it here first if you haven't seen it anywhere else, and if I can, I will try to get a review done for these, but these joints, fire. Great job on these. Now, just to go ahead and get this box out of the way, this was actually a gift from Sneakers and Stuff. And hold on, what am I doing? Production team, I'm sorry, I know you guys worked hard. Roll that clip for him real quick.
That's all I wanna just stop, yeah. We rhyme, I'm looking behind, I count up and stay on my grind. You falling off, oh that's too bad, so really get rid of the net. You came through for a cut, you frontin' my dad, y'all niggas is going outside. Just stay in my house, sleep on the couch, they kissing on niggas for clout.
As I was saying, these was actually came from Adidas and S&S, and this was on a model that I had not tried yet, and this is the Adidas Night Jogger, and this is an exclusive pair to S&S. Now these are a little bit more out there. It's not exactly my favorite colorway of the Night Jogger, but as always, I will say thank you to them for sending it over. These joints came straight from NY, I'm pretty sure, and it's just your all over Night Jogger with the boost, your green, your blue, your pink. It's just a lot kind of going on color wise with this, other than the just kind of basic black upper. You got those kind of neon hits all around the shoe on the Night Jogger. And once again, man, I haven't really put on any Ultra Boost, any type of boost sneaker in a little while, and just feeling that boost again. I already know the deal, I already know these are comfortable, but this is the Adidas Night Jogger, and this one came from S&S. So once again, salute to them, appreciate them sending these over. And now it's time to go ahead and get into this last box. Now, with the last box, I did not do, or didn't ask the production team to do a montage with them, just because I have been waiting to get these in. Now here's the problem. I don't know what it is with my post office, but every time I try to get a pair of sneakers early, or I order a pair of sneakers, there's some type of problem. I actually went to the post office yesterday. You guys might have noticed that I dropped a video at like 10:30 a.m. And that's because I recorded that video at 5 a.m. and went ahead, shot it and edited it and put it up early because I planned on doing a double upload yesterday. I went to the post office and basically they didn't give me my box. I go to the post office today and they tell me that they put the wrong number on the box, 64843. That is not my P.O. Box number. My P.O. Box number is 64893. So they messed up the P.O. Box number, and once again my early sneakers were delayed an extra day, and that pushed me back a day, which it kind of fucked up my schedule, I'm not gonna lie. But salutes to the homie once again. Same dude I copped the early infrareds from and the turbo greens. This time they are a size 12. I told him about it. He said he's gonna make sure he got me. So in this box, they are a black Air Jordan 1 box. You guys can probably guess what these are. These have probably been sitting in my mailbox for a little while now. I just couldn't get the video together. I had the time to go pick them up. But if we get into these guys right here, the leather, once again, the leather on these really reminded me of the Flint Air Jordan 6s, but this is the Phantom Air Jordan 1. And I mean, the leather and everything, they seem pretty solid. Got the zigzag stitch going on the tongue. Basically just an all over sail Air Jordan 1 with some contrasting stitching going on, black laces, red laces, and let me go ahead and grab the other one out of the box. Now I will be aiming to get a video out for these. Honestly, I would love to get the review out tomorrow morning for you guys, just so it can just sit all day. Like I said, I've had these for a little while. I just wasn't able to get out to the P.O. Box or the post office and go ahead and pick them up. But my size, the Phantom AJ1 joints, and they are exactly as I thought they would be. They're not really blowing me away, but I will say that the quality on them is straight, and I do like this kind of like satin silk up here on the collar. So those are all the pickups. 2 early pickups, one from Bodega, one from Jordan and the homie, and then 2 gifts from SNS and the NBA and my homie Jeff. So as always, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be looking for this review very soon. And also, if enough people kind of ask me for it, I might do it. I'm pretty sure it's not one of the most popular shoes for a review, but these Bodega 997s, I feel like they just need a little bit more camera time. So there you go, man. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah. Of course, I got them right here. So Bullet RC. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. A lot of the Finesse gang has been telling me that YouTube is not notifying you guys anymore of my videos. I'm not sure why. I believe there's some type of feature where you have to go to the bell, there's a drop down, and it says basically notify you of all posts. I don't know why YouTube is making it so hard for people to actually watch the content on YouTube. But yeah, if you've been missing notifications, maybe check for that option. If it's not there, then just check back on the channel from time to time. I usually try to post around like 10:30. I know it's a little bit late, but I don't know, that's just kind of how my workflow is. But hey, man, I will see y'all on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Much love. Peace.
Bridges burn, tables turn, yeah. Say you a gangster, but you from Monroe, yeah. Get up shook when I start the yard, yeah. Bag on me from Go Yard, yeah. Money thick like on the cars.